Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to put a white background on Instagram story. Yes, we have might seen that some people put a white background all over their story and then they just paste on some stickers or GIFs, etc. or their pictures. And today we are going to show you how to do that. So head over to your Instagram application. Then click on your story option. Head over to your camera. Once you're in your camera, click on story. Click on a picture. Once you clicked it, keep it tapped on. Then go to draw. Select the color white and keep tapped on. And yeah, your story is currently totally white. Click on the tick mark. Then click on the stickers option and you can just add any sticker you want. Anything you want, like this one. Yeah, this is how you can make background of your story white on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.